Hello everyone. We're on the edge of the Sandringham estate on this Kings Lynn to Hunstanton road. We're on the good old Bromton electric. We're heading out to Castle Rising, South Wootton into Kings Lynn. I've stopped to show you this. This is one of our Royal Bank of Scotland trail markers. There's over 1,000 of these on the network, supported by the Royal Bank of Scotland for the millennium. Here we can read it. This is one of 1,000-mile posts funded by the Royal Bank of Scotland to mark the creation of the National Cycle Network. The National Cycle Network no longer exists because the organisation that runs it has decided so much of it is unsafe for a youngster to ride on their own, so it's been called, which is brilliant and understandable. But would you let your youngster cross this road on their own? No, of course you wouldn't. But we're on the edge of the Sandringham estate, and Prince Charles, or King Charles now, was patron of Sustrans and the National Cycle Network when it was set up in the early 80s, and I guess they dare not close this section of Route 1 in North Norfolk. Anyway, that's a political thing. These are worth looking at because they have these little embossed pieces. You could take a rubbing of those. I've never done one, I intend doing it. You could take a rubbing of those, and I think this is one further down as well. Most of those are at ground level. Excuse me, i.e. dog pee height. Anyway, Sandringham 2 miles, Kings Lynn 7 miles. More on this video as we progress to Kings Lynn. We're going to go to North Lynn, hopefully through the fish docks, hopefully out towards the sea as far as we can go. That's where we're heading. Through there and down there, then I'll probably bring you back from Castle Rising on this video. Thank you. Hello everyone. Right, through there is Castle Rising. That's about as much as you can see without going. Well worth a visit. We'll jump on the bike. We'll have a bit of a pedal past. See if I can show you a bit more. A couple of cars going. As always, we'll let them pass. So Castle Rising, there's a pub here and a tea room and some beautiful little cottages. Well worth a visit. As soon as these guys have gone by, we'll make a move. Success. So I'll pull in at the entrance because there's a car behind me. So Castle Rising, North Norfolk. Well worth a visit. We're not going in now. That's a video in its own right, I guess. Right guys, information. It's on commute in my name. Bike ride from Sandringham to Kings Lynn Port and back. 19.5 miles. On a 2-speed Bromton electric. And I've used 3 bars of power on level 2. I went out on level 1 and I've kept on level 1 all the way till I was heading back from the port, and as usual I upped onto level 2 to give me the easy ride home. Cracking ride out. Thank you for joining me on this video. Hopefully it all pieces together nicely when you get home and you can understand it and make something of it. Certainly well worth a visit. Again, Kings Lynn, amazing place.